up? What's up?
Would you ever date a fan?
Would I ever date a fan? I mean, never say never, never thought about it, but maybe, maybe not.
Would you fake a relationship for PR?
No. No. Wait, how much are we talking about? No, seriously, it's a serious question. How much are we talking about? You're not answering my question. My team is not answering my question. How much money are we talking about for me to fake a relationship? Okay, mention in the comments, then we'll come back to this question again.
Is it okay to stalk your ex's social media?
Nah, bullshit. Absolutely no.
What is your toxic trait in relationships?
My toxic trait, pizzas and movies in bed, is my absolute toxic trait. Like, there is no way in hell when I'm in a relationship can I ever stay healthy. I think that's a very, very toxic trait. और ये मैंने realize किया, मुझे लगा नहीं यार, I really want to change this. But वो नहीं होता है. As soon as you're in love, you want to be with your person in bed and have pizzas and all of that. I think that's one of the toxic traits. The other one that comes to my mind is मैं mildly possessive हूँ. I wouldn't say too much, but मैं अब थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया हूँ. जितना पहले तो कभी था ही नहीं. अब I think mildly थोड़ा सा possessive हूँ. Maybe that's a toxic trait for a lot of people. I don't know.
Are you territorial or possessive?
Yeah, I think yeah, territorial. Maybe that's a right word.
Will you be open for an arranged marriage?
Yeah, कहता हूँ मैं बोल के सबको बता चुका हूँ. जैसी भी हो, जैसी भी मिल जाए, लव हो, अरेंज हो, मम्मी ले आए, यार दोस्त ले आए, इंस्टाग्राम ले आए, कोई भी ले आए, बस लाए तो सही.
Do you believe in being friends with your ex?
Being cordial, yeah, being friends for sure. Always going to be so much love and respect, and that friendship is always going to be there. But I don't think I've ever experienced कि from a relationship now you've gone to being best friends. वो क्या होता है भाई? कैसे हो सकता है वो? No.
If your love life were a movie genre, what would it be?
Dramedy.
Who you would cast as a girlfriend?
You're straight away asking who I think should be my girlfriend. है ना? That's the question that you're asking me. Who I would cast as a girlfriend.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
Jennifer Lawrence. Since we're talking about Dreamcast, and suddenly my camera guy goes like, Nikhil, do you agree with me? Jennifer Lawrence? Yes. Yes.
What's something romantic that's totally overrated?
I don't think anything in romance is overrated, yeah? Yeah, I think. Posting online is for sure overrated for me because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I would rather keep my relationship extremely private. But that's too overrated and no.
Why do you always go on vacations with women?
Because my travel buddies have now just suddenly turned out to be all these wonderful women जिनको travel करना बहुत पसंद है. मेरे लड़कों के साथ जिनके साथ जैसे मैं रजत के साथ बहुत travel करता हूँ. रजत है, चांग है, वाही है. बट यार हमारा टाइमिंग कभी मैच ही नहीं कर रहा पिछले 2, 2.5, 3 सालों से. For some odd reason I end up traveling only with my girls and I think it's a beautiful trip, by the way. I get the princess treatment. So I'm happy.
Have you been in a situationship or any other Gen Z terms?
I think breadcrumbing is something that I have experienced very closely. Where की बात हो रही है, कुछ है लेकिन नहीं है, लेकिन इसका आगे कुछ होना है वो भी नहीं पता, क्या कुछ नहीं होना है वो भी नहीं पता. वो ऐसे टुकड़ों में जो चलता है ना, वो थोड़ा हुआ है. बाकी आई थिंक सिचुएशनशिप एक आधा उसको सिचुएशनशिप ही बोलेंगे, जो छोटे जस्ट ट्रायल एंड एरर जिसे कहते हैं. बट हाँ, these are the only 2 things. और कुछ टर्म बताओ कि क्या मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया. टर्म क्या है? जेनजी के बेंचिंग मुंचिंग तो नहीं हो रहा भाई. I am a whole goalpost. क्या बेंचिंग?
Should couples split bills 50-50?
I think it's a great way to be. In fact, I feel मेरा मानना है, you know what the best thing that any couple should do is the rule of 4. The rule of 4 is these 4 accounts that you should have, no matter what. And I think that keeps life so simple. First one is your personal account. Second one is your partner's personal account. Third one is common expenses. And fourth one is the saving. Like you divide all the money that you have into these 4 bifurcated accounts and your life is just beautiful. But in general, should a couple split? Not all the time. Like a man should sometimes. Like I'd love to take my woman out on dates and make those romantic gestures whenever I can. If the woman also feels like she wants to sometimes touch in or share or probably treat me to something, I'm absolutely game with it. It's a great way to be.
Is the age hitting you where you're pressurized to get married?
It's been hitting me where it hurts the most for the past 5 years now. I've been asked to get married. कि कर ले शादी. मेरी माँ को अगर यहाँ खड़ा कर, मेरी माँ तो
आपको बहू कैसी चाहिए?
जिंदा होनी चाहिए, लड़की होनी चाहिए, चल जाएगी.
Do you think that you have lost the love of your life?
Tricky question. I have definitely experienced the love of my life, but I would say that's not the end of it all. Let's put it that way.
Is cheating ever justifiable?
No.
Are open relationships just an excuse to not commit?
No, absolutely not. I don't know if what are they like. I can't say कि whether are they an excuse to not commit or are they just two adventurous people together or two complete. I don't know what it is. मुझे मेरी समझ के तो बहुत बाहर है. I can't comment on it. मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कैसे work करता है. How is it even possible कि ये okay है लोगों के लिए? मुझे नहीं समझ आया था. But मैं judge भी नहीं करता कि कोई बात नहीं. जिनके लिए काम करता है उनके लिए काम करता है. मेरे जैसे के लिए तो कभी ना करे.
If your best friend's partner hit on you, would you tell them or keep it as a secret?
It's happened and I've told my friends और मैंने उसको बताया भी है. लेकिन वो सुना ही नहीं उसने मेरी. I think अब भी उसी के साथ है, which is the sad part, which is not a good thing. And yeah, but it is what it is. That's what they choose, so that's what they choose.
What's more awkward, running into an ex or ghosting someone and bumping into them at work?
I think ghosting someone and bumping into them at work is way more embarrassing. Is because yeah, running into an ex तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मतलब it's always मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही normal situation है. It's beautiful कि आप जब भी मिलो, there's so much love to share. लेकिन अगर मैंने किसी को घोस्ट किया तो कोई रीजन की वजह से घोस्ट किया होगा कि यार ये टकरा ना जाए कहीं, और अगर वो टकरा जाए वो भी काम पे, सोचो इस वक्त आके वो टकरा जाए जिसको मैंने घोस्ट किया, तो वो अंदर से ना वो निकल आता है, वो हाय सो लॉन्ग, हाउ हैव यू बीन, यू हैवंट बीन इन टच, या वेयर हैव यू बीन, व्हाई हैवंट यू कॉल्ड, और वो अंदर ही अंदर सोच रही होती कि शूट.
Would you rather be cheated on or never fully be trusted in a relationship?
None. I would definitely not put myself in either of those situations. I will not.
Have you ever lied about loving someone?
Never. No. मुझसे नहीं होता भाई. मुझसे वो कहना कि ओ आई लव यू, में बहुत बहुत कीमती शब्द हैं ये तीन. I can't just no, I can't do it just without feeling it. No, never.
If your search history went public right now, what's the one thing you'd deny?
Can I see my search history? Okay. Like search history of what? Instagram, YouTube, Google search history. Oh भाई कुछ नहीं मिलेगा Google search history में. तो मैं तुम्हें दिखा देता हूँ, रुको. YouTube में भी रुको, एक बार देखने दो. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है. क्या ही है यार, माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन, पंचायत थीम सॉन्ग, फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस, very boring, yeah, very boring.
Are you on a dating app?
Am I on a dating app? No, I've never been on one. I have never been on any dating app. That's exactly why I took my shades off for you to see the truth in my eyes. I've never been on one. I never will be. I'm very old school. I want to meet someone physically in the physical world, just bump into someone and feel that, oof, कि कुछ हुआ. No, I haven't been on a dating app.
What's your body count?
Wow, that's bold. Must be, I don't kiss and tell.
Ever been a reason of your friend's breakup?
Me? Have I been a reason of my friend's breakup? No way. I've been on the other side of it where I've patched them up, a bunch of them. एक की तो शादी भी हो गई, but no, I've never been a reason.
Would you rather lose your phone or have your camera roll leaked?
Have my camera roll leaked. I can't lose my phone. There's a lot that's happening on the phone. So no, you can take my camera roll away. Got nothing to hide.
If you had a Bumble profile, what would it say?
Here for just friends. No, absolutely not. It'll say a lot more than that.
Kiss in public or cuddle in private?
Definitely cuddle in private. Nothing in public. I'm very shy. No.
Looks or personality?
Personality.
Friends with benefits or forever single?
Forever single. No, wait, no. Wow. Oh my God. Friends with benefits.
First move or wait for a hint?
I think wait for the hint.
DM slide or real life spark?
Real life spark.
Be caught cheating or catch your partner cheating?
Thankfully and hopefully none.
Stay toxic but exciting or stable but boring?
Stable and exciting. Possible hai.
Broke but in love or rich and alone?
If these are the only two options, then I'd rather stay rich. I will find. I know rich and being in love is possible. So yeah.
Are you dating someone?
No, I am not. And even if I am, for me to know and you to find out.